Let me introduce myself since I'm meeting you with for the first time. So my name is Firdaus. I'm from Jharkhand, and it's been 5 wonderful years since I've been in this field, and it's been 2 years since I've joined Tolo Talk. So it's a wonderful journey till now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Apart from that, I want to know how many sessions you've already completed.
I completed one session, ma'am.
Oh, only one, right?
Today is
Okay, the second session, right? Okay, so before moving ahead, I'll give you a quick introduction about your introduction. Like, basically, you introduce yourself in a very short go. You didn't mention some of the important things. For example, like the first thing that we mention is greetings. So, if you want to make a note, you can make a note of it. Okay.
okay.
Number one is greetings. Greetings means you have to greet the person in front of you. Okay. Hi, hello, whatsoever the time is. Good evening. Okay. Then comes your name, full name. Sunidhi Gurram, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Then comes your place where you belong to. Now, place can be like you can talk about you were born and brought up at a different place, or you're currently living in a certain place. You can mention that. Or if it is the same place, then you can mention I live in the place where you live. Okay. After place, you talk about your education. Education, as in you can talk about your latest one, whatever you have pursued. Alright? After education, after education, you have to talk about your profession. Since you're not working anywhere, you can say that I'm a housemaker. Housewife is a very overused word. Like most of the time, people speak this. It is a very monotonous kind of thing. Okay, बार बार लोग बोलते हैं यही. So you can use housemaker. Now, last but not the least is your experience. Now, experience is something where you can talk about your previous work if you have worked somewhere. Okay? Have you?
Yeah, okay.
Have you worked anywhere?
No, ma'am.
No. So you can speak about that I have no experience. Okay? I've studied till wherever you have studied. Okay? You can talk about that. Now, these 6 pointers are very important while giving your introduction.
Okay.
Family members, hobbies, these are additional questions which is being asked by the interviewer. You do not have to answer it by your own.
Yeah, okay.
Are you understanding?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Oh, chalo, great. So, your introduction should not exceed more than 1 minute. Okay. For example, I'll give you a demo. So, you will see all the 6 pointers I'll be speaking, okay? So, good evening. My name is Firdaus Hassan. I live in Ranchi, Jharkhand, since the place is same, both. Talking about my education, I've completed my bachelor's as well as master's from Jharkhand itself. And I've been working as a spoken English instructor at Tolo Talk since last 2 years. And I've been working in this place since 5 years. So this is my overall introduction.
Okay.
6 pointers are included here.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Can you try?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yeah, sure.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Sunita. I completed BSc BAD at from Nagarjuna University.
Mm-hmm.
I live in Vijayawada, and I have no experience to any work. I am a housemaker.
Very good. Correct. See, this is such awesome thing. Tell me about your hobbies. Do you have any hobbies?
I have some hobbies, ma'am. Drawing, painting, and reading books, ma'am.
Painting and reading books is one of your
hobbies.
They are your hobbies, right? These are your hobbies. Okay, great. So today's topic, as it is regarding your daily routine. You know that, right? Yeah. So, any problem you're facing with the sheets that have been given to you?
What, ma'am?
Sheets that have been provided in the app. You know that Tolo Talk provides you 4 sheets in the particular app, right?
Yeah.
So there are 4 sheets that are being given to you. One is practice sheet, the other is vocab, third one is grammar, and fourth one is homework sheet. Now you have to understand that thoroughly you have to read practice sheet and come. Practice sheet includes all the material, all the tips that you require to study. Okay.
Yeah.
So one day
Okay.
prior, you can give it a read. You can have a glance to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you have any doubt regarding the practice sheet, any word you're not getting in the practice sheet, the vocab sheet comes into rescue. Okay, the vocab sheet will help you to understand those,
Okay.
hard words. Understood? Then comes
Yeah,
the
yeah.
grammar, and grammar is like if you have any grammatical doubt, and homework sheet you can do after the session. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In the practice sheet, if you have seen that there are something written about daily routine. So, have you seen?
Yeah, Assam, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me something about your daily routine. How do you start your day?
Usually, every day I wake up early morning at 5 o'clock, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
After I finish my personal works and I go to walking
I go
for
for
an
walking.
yeah. After I do exercises for 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
After I prepare breakfast, I prepare food for breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
I do
I prepare.
kitchen.
I prepare the dinner, or I prepare the lunch. You can say.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. I prepare the food for is not required. Okay. Keep it short.
Okay,
Hmm.
I prepare.
Hmm.
Hmm. I complete my kitchen works and washing
Kitchen work. For that, what do you say? Kitchen work, washing clothes, all of this in combined, we can say household chores.
house chores.
There's a word, okay?
Okay, okay.
Household chores. Chores means the work that you generally do. Okay.
House chores.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, what do you do?
I finished my household chores.
Mm-hmm.
After I finished the lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
After I read 1 or 2 hours devotional books,
Mm-hmm.
I take for 2 hours.
Okay.
After taking rest, I
Rest.
plan
You can say that I take a short nap. In the afternoon that we take, no? That is a short nap.
short nap.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
short nap.
Mm-hmm.
I take short nap.
Okay. Then what do
ma'am.
you do? Okay. I'm stopping you. Sorry. When you get up in the morning, okay. Generally, we say I wake up because it is in the present form. You do it on the everyday basis, right? Now, going to the washroom, brushing my teeth. These are the things we never say. We generally say I freshen up.
I
Okay.
freshen.
I freshen up.
Okay.
Combine, we say all the things like going to washroom, brushing teeth, taking bath. We don't say such things in a formal given scenario, na? So we say freshen up. Okay, so let's go. Where were we? Sorry for stopping you. Yeah, continue from there.
Okay.
After taking a short nap, what do you do?
I take 2 hours a nap, ma'am.
2 hours nap. That's not a short nap. Okay.
Okay. I plan. Watering the plants and
Oh, you love gardening?
yeah,
Okay.
some plants in my garden.
So there's a word for gardening. Like for example, you said that I love gardening. Okay. So the one who loves gardening, we call them, like you can say that I have a green thumb. Okay. There's a
Green.
certain word. Green thumb.
Okay.
You can say if you're telling to someone that I love gardening, then you can say, oh, I have a green thumb. Now it is easy for you to remember, like, I have a green thumb means when you do planting, all sort of things, you can say that I have a green thumb. This is the
I
word.
have it. I have green thumb.
Yes.
Okay. ma'am.
Understood?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Is it easy?
I have green thumb. Okay. ma'am.
Yeah.
Mm.
Continue.
But I watch I watch TV for some time.
Okay. You do some entertainment sort of thing. Great.
After I prepare dinner for I prepare food for dinner. After my husband come back to home and we will finish the dinner.
Okay, you
After
guys sit together and have dinner, right?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, great.
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. 11 o'clock.
Yeah,
Okay.
my children are not here.
Oh,
They live at hostels, ma'am.
oh, they're studying.
They are studying.
All right. Mm-hmm.
So I and my husband only staying here.
Oh,
Um, when I
me and my husband both are staying here.
both are okay.
Yeah.
I and my husband both are staying here.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I prepare special delicious food for my husband. When my children are coming to the when my children came to my house,
Mm-hmm. Okay,
then
when they return from their hostel.
yeah,
Okay.
I prepare some different types of foods and
Mm-hmm.
we go to some other places and I and my husband go to the malls and we
Mm-hmm.
purchase some house household things and groceries.
Groceries. Yeah, correct word. Okay.
Mm.
On weekends, what do you do?
Weekends we go to the temples and
We visit temple,
we visit. Oh,
nearby
okay.
temple, you can say.
Yeah, we visit the near temple and we spend some time at that temple
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
after we go to the we come back to house.
We come back home.
We come back home.
Right. Okay. Okay. Correct. Very nice. And it's very nice to know that you guys have weekend plans too. You know, some of the people don't generally have the weekend plans. You know, because nowadays everyone is too busy. In weekend, people are instead taking rest.
Yeah, my husband is a builder, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So, a quick feedback I would like to give you, Sunita, before we move ahead, since we are moving ahead with the end of the session. So, the thing is that when you were speaking, I felt like you were quite confident when you were speaking. Okay, so it's very good to know that
Yeah.
since we met for the first time, but it didn't feel like that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it same with you?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, I want to know that do you practice English at home?
I practice English, ma'am, but I
Mhm.
can't speak with others to influently.
Okay. Okay. Please make a note of a small homework that I'm giving you. You have to use past tense. Okay. I went to a nearby park. This is your homework. Okay. Now understand. This is the situation I'm giving you. Just imagine that you have gone to a park yesterday. Okay. And you came back and you're discussing about it. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to be mindful that you have to use the past tense in this particular thing. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to say like I saw some children. Saw again. I did this exercise in the park. I met some people. Are you understanding these words? I'm just giving you some
Yeah.
example. Okay.
Yeah.
Try using some past tense over
Yeah,
here.
I understand.